once you get your angle right, what you can often find is when you're spiraling around your hoop that they will sometimes become closer together or they might start getting further apart. To fix this, all you need to do is kind of stretch the tape out slightly so it's on the same angle each time. Because once it starts getting a little bit close together, it's going to keep getting more and more close together. And same with it if it starts getting further apart. You want every single wraparound to be the exact same as the one before, as close to it as possible. If you find that it's starting to get close together, for example, you're then going to take your tape and kind of stretch it, like pull it quite hard to get that angle right. So another thing I do when I do each wrap is I run my finger underneath and over the top, and that's just like a quick way of me knowing that there's no creases or bubbles forming underneath there. So it just takes a bit of practice getting those angles right. Once you've done a few, it does get easier. So the pros of having 1 inch tape over 3/4 inch tape is just that it's quicker to take the hoop. So especially if you've got a really big hoop, it's going to make quite a big difference in time. Alright, now I like to line it up at the ends here. So this one is going to line up pretty well already. I'm going to take some clear tape and just put it over the top. This is the way I do it. I wrap it a couple of times. Craft knife, and I just like to cut over it. Yeah, I can see there's a bump through it, so I know where my joint is, and that'll hold the ends down, and there you go. Another way you can do that is you can cut it first, and then you can tape each side separately if you want to. And we'll just pull this up. And here we have our tape 2.